Good evening. Netball Jamaica President Dr. Paula Daly-Morris revealed recently that a decision was taken to extend the arrangement to have Sasha Gay Henry and Marvette Anderson as co-coaches for the senior Sunshine Girls. Now, the president said the probationary period for both coaches ended last December and that Netball Jamaica saw no need to extend their probation. So both coaches have been given short-term contracts once again to guide the team at the upcoming quadrangular tournament in New Zealand and also the Commonwealth Games in Australia in April. My concern, though, is the decision by Netball Jamaica to continue with the co-coaching arrangement. I just think this arrangement can and will be very awkward at times for both coaches Henry and Anderson. Both ladies have said they have mutual respect for each other and that they share tactical and technical ideas and then look to reach an amicable decision when they are operating on the bench in a game situation. Both coaches, as well as Dr. Daly-Morris and some of the players who have spoken openly, have said they think this arrangement can work, but the question is, for how long? What happens if and when the team or time comes to make a really tough decision before, during, or after a game situation? What about the starting team for various matches? What will happen if there's a perceived controversial decision to be made about a particular player or players? In competitive sports, there will always come a time or times when certain decisions will have to be made by a lone individual. And in this case, I'm talking the head coach. My understanding is also that some members of the executive of Netball Jamaica are not totally convinced that having co-coaches for the senior Sunshine Girls is the way to go, at least not over an extended period. The contracts of both Henry and Anderson will run up to August of this year. I hope that when that time comes around, Netball Jamaica will find the guts and gumption to name a single head coach for the senior Sunshine Girls. I'm Spencer Darlington. Good evening.